Now I'm selecting some bits of her hair, and the truth is I want to get only bits of brick wall between the strands of her hair. So I need to zoom this picture in a lot to be able to see it. I don't want to change my tool, so I'm going to stay in the lasso, and to zoom in, I'm just going to hit Command plus. Command plus is the hotkey to zoom in. Command minus is the hotkey to zoom out. Command plus in, Command minus out. Now also, as you zoom in, your selection area might go out of frame. To get back to it, don't go to the hand over here on the toolbar. Instead, press the space bar. Space bar gets you your hand, and then you can just pull your picture around to get back to where you need to be. So again, don't change tools, use quick keys. Zoom in is Command plus, zoom out, Command minus. Space bar lets you grab your picture and move it around within your frame. And then to get your entire image full frame within your open window is simply Command 0.